All right, class, we are on Lesson 7 in your GarageBand book. I'm going to start on page 246 on recording multipass drum beats. I still want you to do the 7.1 and 7.2 exercises, so do that before you get to this. But we're starting with recording multipass drum beats. In Lesson 4, recording and editing software instruments, you recorded both single-take and multi-take software instrument tracks. In this exercise, you'll explore overdub recording as you record two different drum beats using a drum kit and a MIDI drum machine sound. With overdub recording, you can record into the same region over and over, adding different sounds with each pass in a cycle. This method of recording is also referred to as multi-pass recording. Your goal in the next series of exercises is to record a drum region that combines different drum sounds to create an original beat. Then you'll create a second multipass region using the arpeggiator. Once you've recorded both drum regions, you'll turn them into loops and add them to the loop library. So number 1 on the bottom of page 246, go ahead and open 7.3 recording beats. The project opens with cycle mode on and the library displayed. Press Command K to show the musical typing window. Command K. There it is. Number 3 on page 247, it says select the SoCal Cowbell track if it's not already selected and play the project. Watch the musical typing keyboard as the SoCal Cowbell region plays. The Y key lights up each time the cowbell sound is played. Pause, playback. So let's look at this. I've already got it highlighted. It is unmuted. Let me go ahead and press spacebar to play. So you see every time that cowbell plays, this Y key right here lights up. This region is a simple single-take recording of a cowbell part. The region is 2 measures, or bars, in length, and was recorded using the musical typing keyboard and the Y key. You've heard my recording of the beat-busting analog superhero of the 70s, the cowbell. Now it's your turn to play it. Number 4, press the Y key on your computer keyboard or click the Y key on the musical typing window to play the cowbell sound. Perfect. You've successfully demonstrated the percussive potential of an ancient bovine tracking device. Clearly, you have just the drum skills needed to record an overdub recording with multiple drum sounds. Mute the SoCal Cowbell track. Muted. Finishing off with number 5 at the bottom. In a few minutes, you'll turn the pre-recorded cowbell region and some regions of your own into loops and add them to the loop library. For now, I just want you to see an example of a simple single-take drum part and boost your confidence in playing a percussion instrument on your computer keyboard. Turn the page. Page 248. Setting preferences for overdub software instrument recording. Since the advent of recording, there's been dubbing, and dubbing simply means recording on top of a previously recorded section. In GarageBand, overdubbing is simply the process of recording a performance on top of another existing performance, thus merging them together into a single region. If you recall, when you recorded multi-take software instrument regions in Lesson 4, you first needed to deselect the cycle recording checkbox in GarageBand's general preferences. Both multi-take and multi-pass or overdub recordings use a cycle area to determine the length of the recording. It is the cycle recording checkbox that specifies whether a software instrument performance using a cycle area is going to be a multi-take or an overdub recording. So we need to choose GarageBand and then Preferences. GarageBand is kind of out of view from you, but it's up here in the menu bar. Coming down to Preferences. In General Preferences, select the Cycle Recording checkbox. So that's General Preferences, Cycle Recording checkbox. And of course, this one's different because it's an updated version. And so just leave it on merge if you've got the same version as I do. If you have the same one from the book, you're going to have to go ahead and push or check that box that says automatically merge software instrument recordings when using cycle mode. Excellent. Now let's make sure the cycle area is the correct length for your overdub recording, and you're good to go.